ando con ganas de que averiguando qué hacer por la noche.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are mostly welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for checking me out again. As you guys can see in the title, we are back at part 3 of our Fashion Nova haul. Okay, today we're doing all jumpsuits. That's something that I love in my closet, so I went ahead and cut me a couple of them, and I'm like, let me come and show you guys. And before we start, Happy New Year to all of you guys. Thank you so much for rocking with your girl for the past couple of years, and hope this 2024 will be a great year for all of us. Hopefully this 2024 will be a wonderful year for you, for me, here on YouTube and every part of our life. Alright, y'all, because I don't want to talk too much, because they say I talk too much in my videos. So let's get into this. Somebody said in my video, the last video you guys watched, said I should put my measurements in the video. So here it is. It will be here. And it will also be in the description box and also pinned in my comment section, so you don't miss anything. I am a medium. I am 5'5". Alright, y'all, without further ado, let's get into this video. But before you go, don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe. Turn on that post notification, because I feel like a lot of you is not getting my video when it drops. I drop videos twice a week now, Wednesdays and Fridays, so you don't miss anything. Make sure that post notification, this little bell right here, is turned on, so you'll be notified every time I drop a video. Alright guys, without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, this is the first thing we got. It is this leather beautiful jumpsuit. I really love me a nice jumpsuit, because them are the things you just pop on and you are good to go, ain't no problem, just like two-piece. So I like to have something like this in my closet. This kind of thing, I can wear this to church, I can wear this to any function, baby shower, girls night out and stuff like that. This is what the back is looking like. It is tall girl friendly, as you guys can see. This is me on my tippy toe, and I am loving this. Really loving this. It is long sleeve, as you guys can see, keep you warm and all. It does come with buttons right over here. It does have a zipper. You can make it as, you know, as low as you want. Put it right here. You could zip it all the way up, and you could, you know, give yourself a little bit of breathing space. It does have 2 pockets right over here. It's zipped up, and it does have this cargo. It does have this cargo pocket over there, and also one over here. Also one right here. This kind of thing, I love the way I style it. You guys can style this with silver or gold, because the hardware on this is silver, so you can do silver or gold with it. I'm a gold girl through and through, so I'm going to be styling just the same way I'm wearing this right now. All I'll probably do with this is probably add an extra necklace to this, so it'll be a layered necklace, and I am good to go. Very beautiful. It does have a an elastic thingy right here on the waist right here, and this color is coloring, and this is called Take Command Faux Leather Jumpsuit. I got this a color Cognac, and I got it in a size medium. Okay guys, this is the next thing that we got from FashionNova. It's another leather situation, but this is a little bit more wine burgundy color, and it's strapless, and we love that. It does come with this faux corset right over here, and it does come with a zipper at the back, also a silver zipper. But like I told you guys, I am a gold girl through and through, so I would definitely be styling this with some gold accessories. And if you want, you can go ahead and put a blazer on top of this. This is so freaking cute. Has good stretch to it, so I would tell you to definitely stay your size in this. Yeah, really cute, really nice. I love the shape. I love the little curve that is giving me right over here in my stomach. It does also come with a zipper on the inside of the pant, so you can go ahead and leave that open if you feel like it. But for me, it's definitely, I'm definitely wearing it zipped all the way down. I love this. Like, this is everything. Look at my shape in this. Like, what? It's still tiny little big for me on the waist, but baby, there's nothing that can work. This is called Born with its full leather jumpsuit in a size medium in color burgundy. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. I love it. Okay guys, this is the next thing that we got from Fashion Nova. This is such a beautiful jumpsuit. It is tall girl friendly. Like I said, it is a bandage material. Really long, really nice. I am on my tippy toe and I can definitely wear a high heel with this. This is so cute. This is strapless, as you guys can see. It does have a bony right here to hold on to the girls. I wish it fit me a little bit more on that. It's not moving, shy. That's one thing. It's really not moving a lot. So I feel like it can stay and withhold not moving. Let me jump. This is me jumping. And the girls are still in there. So I feel like if I dance and stuff all through the night and stuff in this, I feel like I will be okay. I won't be adjusting my chest as much. It is a bandage material. I wish I had gone down a size actually in this because it does still have a whole lot of stretch and everything with this. This is so freaking cute. This is what the back is looking like. I love the fact that the zipper and the outfit is matching. Like there is no difference. So with this, I can definitely start. So yeah, this is so freaking cute. The back is everything and some. I just love this. Like I always say, if you want to be conservative, all you gotta do is just put on a jacket, a blazer on top of this, and you will be good to go. It's called Someone to You Bandage Jumpsuit in the color copper in a size medium. Right. Okay, y'all, this is the next one that we got. This green cargo situation going on. Man, this is so freaking cute. It does come with a belt. So let me show you guys before I put the belt on. This is so freaking cute, guys. One thing I love about this is the fact that all the hardware on this are all freaking gold. So if you're a gold girl, you could go ahead and wear this the way you want. We love the arms. We really love it. Y'all know, if you've been with us for long, you know we love a good old exaggerated sleeve. Only one thing is I wish the sleeve get all the way to my wrist, but it's not bad. By the time I stack my jewelry with this, I think it will be pretty good. It's packed with pockets. So I don't know if you're going to need a purse with this because it has this is a full pocket up here. Then it has this pocket right over here that we love. Then it has this nice pocket right over here. And it does have, oh, this is a full pocket. Oh, that's a full pocket. Okay. So it does have quite enough pocket for you. Okay, y'all, I went ahead and I put the belt in and I just feel like it elevated the outfit. So classy, so chic, so beautiful. Also tall girl friendly. This is me on my tippy toes. So I feel like if I wear my heels with this, I'll be perfectly fine. Like the zipper is all the way up on your neck if you feel like it. But for me, this is how exactly I'm gonna wear it. So freaking cute. I love the belt. Just cinch me in a little bit more. I appreciate the fact that the zipper goes like literally all the way down here. This is the back. The back is also a full pocket over there. This black abstract strap thingy that we got right here. So freaking cute. It is a sweater material, really thick and all. It will keep you warm. It has a whole bunch of line. I wish I've gotten a small because this joint is a little bit big. It is off the shoulder, as you guys can see. Really cute. All you need is some oil and some shimmery things and you will be good to go. What the back is looking like. Nothing much to say about this. I really like this. Like, what else is there to say? It's giving nice shape. It's giving everything. All I just gotta say, it's a little bit big, but you know, we make it work. We move. Really cute. It is not see-through. I'm hoping. Y'all let me know in the comment section if it's see-through, but that is see-through because it's very thick and it's a sweater material. Nice little stiletto, nice little purse and all that good stuff, and you are good to go. And this is called Free Your Mind Sweater Jumpsuit Black Combo size medium. I freaking love this. Okay, y'all, this is the next one that we got. This is another black and white combo right here. I like it. I'm on a tippy toe right now, and I could wear heels with this. I love the contrast about it, and it's so yeah, it is long. I could wear heels with it. I really love this. A little snug on my neck, and on the back area right here is not falling on my waist the way it's supposed to. But it's not bad. It's nothing that I can't wear. This is another really cute one right over here. I love it. They have like a full little pocket right here on the chest area. This is so freaking cute. It is not see-through. It is another sweater material. It will definitely keep you warm. It has a zipper, as you guys can see on the back. This is gorgeous. I love it. When I first put it on, I was kind of second guessing it, but then when I wear it, I see it on my body, and I'm like, okay now. But this is so freaking cute. I love it. It is like all the way to my waist right over here on both sides. The neck, all you need is just a nice little simple necklace right over there, and you will be good to go. I freaking love it, and it matches my hair too. All right, this is what the back is looking like. It has the same stripe all over it. I love it. I like a zebra. Okay, I like a zebra. And this is called All in the Mix Sweater Jumpsuit Black White size small. I got this in a size small. Okay. I love it. So size down in this if you want it to like to be snug on your body. And I feel like the reason why it's not laying on my back is like a little bit. I just gotta pull it up a little bit, and yep, right there. So this is so freaking cute. Alright, y'all, the next thing we got, it is this navy blue jumpsuit right over here, bandage material. It does have some lines going in and out, making it look like you have a tinier waist than you do. It is strapless, very thin strap, but it is adjustable at the back, so you make it fit your chest as much as you want. But this is so cute. It does come with a boning right over here that is holding the girls up. Y'all notice that most of the things that I show you guys, you really don't need bra with most of them. So if you are ones like me that don't like to wear bra, these are very beautiful, nice jumpsuit for you to wear. Okay, cute though. Like wow, I'm just looking like wow. Okay. So it is another one that is pretty long down to the ground, tall girl friendly. Again, I am on my tippy toe, and it is touching the ground on me. So me in heels on this will be definitely perfect. It is cinching me in the waist also, which I really like. Like I told you guys, it is a bandage material, and this is so freaking cute on me. This is what the back is looking like. Like damn. Y'all see the P over there? Like what? I love the fact that the zipper, the outfit are the same color. There's no difference. And this is called Misty Bandage Jumpsuit Navy size small. I feel like I did size down, and it fit me just the way it's meant to. I love the way it's cinching me in right now, and my body is looking body. It's this nice denim jumpsuit right over here. The middle part has elastic situation going on. It does have a zipper going all the way down. I'm in love. It does come with a pocket right here at the back, and also right here in the front. This is a nice dress up, dress down kind of situation. Actually, I don't think I want to dress this down. I want to dress it up with a nice heels, okay? A nice purse and jewelry and all that. You are set to go. I love it, okay? It does have enough stretch, so stay your size in this. I did get it in a size medium, and this is called Not Too Late Jumpsuit in denim, and I got it in a size medium, and it fit me like a glove. Look at the back. Just look at the back. Ooh, that is so freaking cute. Don't you think so? And look how it hit me just at the perfect length. It is cinching at the ankle, which I really love. It does come also with a zipper going up and down. You can make it as low as you want, or you can make it as high as you want. But for me, this is my limits. Okay. Yeah, all right, y'all. This is the next one. a little tricky to get into this, okay? Very tricky. So when you get it, just look at it before you step into this outfit. Because this jumpsuit, it's a dress in a jumpsuit, okay? Together. Because I can't even explain to you guys how this jumpsuit is. Like, this is a dress connected to a jumpsuit at the back, as you guys can see. And then you could zip this all the way down if you feel like it. You could wear it just like this, and when people see you coming, they'll think, oh, she has on a dress. And then you turn around, and then you give them, bam. It's a, I don't know what to call this. I know a skirt, and a skirt is called a short and a skirt. So what we gonna call this? Is this a jump dress or a dress jump? I don't know, something. But we are loving this. It's like a crop situation. I don't know. I talk about this dress. This jumpsuit is, I don't know, 3-dimension jumpsuit. It's like a crop situation. So in your back, you're covered up. You're all that good stuff. You can wear this to church. You can wear this to a function. And then in the front, it's giving you modest, beautiful dress and all that good stuff. But then you zip it up, and it's giving you a full-on jumpsuit. Like, this is the pants on the inside. Like, it's connected. Like, actually, this is like a 3-piece outfit. This is connected on the inside, and it's giving me everything. I could wear it any hour I want to wear this. I could wear it just like this. I could take this off and just wear like a nice little crop top on the inside and just leave it like that. I could wear it as a dress. I could wear it any way I feel like wearing it. Alright, y'all, this is called the Whole Vibe Jumpsuit Mocha Combo. I got this in a size medium. We love it. Okay, y'all, I told you guys it was hard to get in and out of this outfit. My slow self finally figured it out, okay? On how to get in and out of this outfit. It's very easy, don't mind me, very easy. Because this is right here, it's a connecting situation. All you have to do is zip this all the way down. You guys see me zipping it all the way down. Me zipping it all the way down. You guys see? All you have to do is disconnect both this and this in the front area. So the dress is apart. And then all you have to do is, that's it. Yeah. Alright. Easy. Okay, y'all, that brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All right, guys, everything that I have on will definitely be in the description box, so don't forget to go ahead and check it out. If you guys have any question or anything else, go ahead and ask me in the comment section. Follow me on all my socials, also Instagram, TikTok, I'm there. So go ahead and follow me there. All right, guys, until next time, remember to live your life like no one is watching, because God got your back. Mwah.